Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a dark theme like this one and to configure it a bit to make it your own. So now there are two ways in ServiceNow to create a new theme. You can do one from a theme builder. So theme builder is a new plugin for ServiceNow. So if you go into plugins and then search for a theme builder, you're going to find it and you can install it for free. Once you have installed it, I recommend to log out and quit or exit the Chrome browser and then log back into ServiceNow, and then you should be able to have it right here. So you can use Theme Builder to build everything from scratch, every kind of stuff, but it's gonna take a lot of time and you can't start from a black theme kind of template. So what I really like to do is to use the black theme template for the standard Polaris. So for underneath themes here, if you search for Polaris, then we got it right here, and here you can see that it contains something. So the colors is for the default theme. Then we have this dark, which is a type variant. So if you go here to preferences and go to theme, then we have this Polaris, and the default one is the default white that you are familiar with. And then you have this dark, which is the dark theme, which is this variant right here. If you click into this guy, you can see all the different properties that makes this theme. So this is RGB colors. You can't change this because it's out of the box. If you click here, it doesn't really work. So what we gotta do is to make a duplicate and pretty much copy paste all of this, and then we can change some of the RGB values. So a good start to do this is use the theme builder for exactly that, building a new one. So you're gonna click theme builder, and then we're gonna create a new theme. Let's continue. Let's do more dark theme 2. Click next. And then we're gonna just skip this, just click next, because we're gonna overwrite all of these values. But here you can choose another font if you want to. And I want square corners, but you can use whatever you want. Click theme, and now an important thing to do is go to this. From this page we go to manage, and here we need to publish this one. So right now we have this Polaris and my dark theme, which is published because these are the ones you can see right here. So Polaris and then my dark theme. So to also see the new that we just created, we need to click on these dots and click publish. And then we get it right here. So let's go back here and click update or refresh the page. And click on theme. And then we can see we have it right here. So now it's looking like this. So let's go to theme and click into the my dark theme 2 that we just created, and we're gonna change the colors here. So click into this one, and here you can see we have a lot of properties. We're gonna take all of this away, and we're gonna paste in the properties, or all the different properties that I have created that you can find in the description. So let me see if I have it right here in the clipboard. Here it is. So you can see there are a lot of different properties, but a lot of different properties is that we have a property that is using another property. So the colors isn't that many, but it's a bit. So on the start here, you can see the different colors that are like most used. So this primary color is used a lot. And here you can see this is the value. This is the RGB value. So let us save this now. And then you can see that it changed. And for this navigation bar to also change, we need to just refresh the page. And then we got it right here. So to find a color, I like to use this this extension. Let me just drag this down a bit. We can use this extension called Color So this is a Chrome extension you can download, and I recommend to go in here. So this is the default hex code. ServiceNow is using RGB, so we're gonna choose that. Click Save, and now let's go back. So for example, if I want to know which color this is, I can use that extension, and then click Pick Color outside browsers. I find this to be the best one to use, and then I can click on this background, and in my clipboard, and I got that color. So this is 30, 30, 35. So I can copy this, for example, and then I can search in this right here. I think I need to remove the spaces, actually. Click Enter, and then you can see I found that now color background primary is 30, 30, 35. So I can change that to change this color. So let me just copy paste that property name. Let me drag this a bit back, right like that. So now we can, for example, right click here and expect, and then we get this thing open, so I can find that property to try to figure out what we are gonna do. So now we're not gonna save any color. So here it is. So I can change the value now, for example 100, 150, 30. You can see that it changed. So now you can figure out what you want to do. And to actually make this happen, let's say if we want this color, we need to so for example, now if I refresh now, it's gonna go back to the default. So when you expect the page and you change something there, that is just for the time being. So we need to find that property again. Here it is, and then we can change the color to what we wanted it to. For example, if it is this one, and then you can change whatever you want. So finding this different stuff can be a bit hard sometimes. But you can also do, for example, take this color, for example, and then search for that, or you can inspect something. So the scroll bar here, can you see is this color? If I double click here, I get down here. So let's try something crazy. Yeah, you can see the scroll bar now changed to this green. So yeah, I hope you liked it. I think the default or the configuration that I give you in the description can be good enough, and then you can change some different styles from there. Maybe if you want another green color, or so right now I have let's go to the incident. I changed oh, this is looking really awful. Let's go back to the one that I'm using. So it's this. Yeah, I changed that blue link to this kind of orange-ish color that I find a bit more soothing or better looking, especially when there is a lot of stuff you can click on. And for example, this blue color that comes up when you hover over something, all of these different colors can you change. So a lot of stuff you can do. And for example, this color purple can you change. So there are a lot of different possibilities. Hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, just let me know.